Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Samkelisiwe Sithole. I am the founder of Luyhyezi Farms. It's a poultry farming business that is based in a rural area named Molweni. I grew up in a very poverty-stricken background, and so I chose to be a change catalyst. So I'm fighting against poverty, unemployment, unhealthy food intake, duty, affordability, and the threat of food security in our country. Okay, so Luyhyezi Farms offers fresh organic chicken, and we also keep egg-laying chickens for egg production as well. So what we have is fresh organic chicken and fresh organic eggs. Okay, firstly, it's the fact that our chickens are reared in a safe environment, and we offer fresh organic chicken, which means it's free of preservatives, and also the fact that we feed hormone-free feed. We are available on all our social media pages. On Facebook, you can find me, Sithole. It is linked to our Facebook page, which is Luyhyezi Farms. And then on Instagram, it's Samke, SAMKEH_NKULY. So, and we're also available on our website. It's luyhyezifarms.co.za. Cell phone number 067 092 6751. And we are based at Molweni D1145 Fanin Road. Hi, my name is Samkelisiwe Sithole, and I am a township entrepreneur.